Hello friends, I will introduce you a useful product. This is iron sulfate. Iron sulfate is used everywhere, so it is valuable. It is usually produced in different grades, but it is easy to make. Watery green crystals. The sulfate is usually produced from iron waste. This is the most convenient method. And you can even make sulfate from magnetic iron ore. And you can make sulfate from hematite iron ore, but it is a little harder than magnetite. You need scrap iron, water and sulfuric acid to produce this sulfate. It is an important element for plant growth, so you can build and sell. This is good as a home job. You should make iron sulfate in the open air. You must first add the acid to the water and not the other way around. Slowly add the sulfuric acid to the water and then add the iron. Iron sulfate together with copper sulfate removes the paste from the plant.